welcome back to the channel. Booney with Backwoods Customs. We're introducing a new car to the channel today. It's an 05 300C all-wheel drive with a Hemi. 5.7. I'm not rich enough for a 6.1. But this car is black. Of course, you can see that in the picture. The interior is pretty decent on it. I got it for a really good price. It has 225,000 miles on it. It came into the salvage yard I worked at, so I picked it up. Wayne is down there. You can see his feet. He's putting a tranny in it right now because you would drive it and all of a sudden, you know, 3 miles down the road, it would just act like all 5 gears are neutrals. So he's putting a new tranny in it. So this is the transfer case, and these splines are all jacked up. Hang on, let me get you a flashlight. These splines are all jacked up in here. I'll show you the new one, but you can see like that one, they're very like pointed. Down here is that's all metal shavings from this whole unit. So let's go look at the new one. So like I said, we knew it needed a tranny, so you can hear, see how that like shakes like that? The shaft isn't turning. That's the gear on the shaft that hooks into that. And so then Wayne got out of the party, he said, hey, you know you need a transfer case too. You can see how these are flat and not pointed. This transfer case only has like 82K on it or something. So basically the tranny is, this is an 05. According to my computer at work, which gets all its information from the manufacturers, this tranny fits 05 only for all-wheel drive. We're talking about all-wheel drive right now. So it fits 05 only, 06 fits 06 only, and 07 to 10 fits 07 to 10. Now this is a NAG1 if you guys are familiar with Chrysler at all. So the tranny is super stout. Now when you look at a rear-wheel drive one, they fit 05 to 10. So I couldn't find an 05 that didn't have almost the same amount of miles that mine already had on it. So I bought one. This one's out of an 09, and we think it's going to work. So we'll keep you updated on that. Make sure you come back for the next video for the first test drive, and we'll go from there on that. But we also are going to change the front bumper, so we'll show you what we got going on up there. So we also have a little bit of body damage. It's just the bumper. The bumper cracked. They hit something. It's old plastic. I got a new one from another salvage yard that's black, so we're going to throw that on. We're also going to change these to black, and we're going to change the grill to black with a new emblem. So we'll get into that right now. All right guys, so we'll do a couple clips. It's basically just pins in here, across the bottom, up here, and then the fascia comes off. So we'll take a couple little clips of that, but it's not really that big of a deal. So we're going to be changing this to a black piece. I'll show you in a minute. This is the new bumper we got. It's a black already. It's a replacement bumper I got off another 3 Hondo. And we're going to put black here. And you notice this one does not have the spot for the washers. The new piece does. So that's what we're going to end up swapping everything over now. And then we'll show you how to put the grill in, take the grill off the old one. And we're putting a blacked out beauty in this one too. All right guys, so I want to get the washer fluid nozzles out. I'm not really sure. I think I just push them in. Well, I can actually do that when it's off because I need these clips for the new piece anyway. So let me just get these guys out. So there are the clips to put my new piece in. Then this whole thing should slide out the front. So now we have to pop this guy out and just take a big pliers to press the clips. This is the trickiest thing since like, boom. So we have these guys right here. This is going to be that side. So we want to make sure I mean, you could be cool and put them in the opposite way, I guess, but snap them in. There we go. That'll hold. A little bit of chrome won't be bad.
Yes.
Will match your new wheels. Make sure you check out next video for new wheels. All right, guys, so we got the grill in, looks good. We got these on. I didn't think this all through. Now I have chrome at the nozzles. We'll figure that out later. We can touch it up with plasti dip or something. We do have another emblem. I'm not going to mess with that today, though. But yeah, there she is. She does have a little dent here, I saw, a little scraped up, but it'll get me through inspection. And I think we're going to be doing something different with the front rear bumpers as well as the side skirts anyway. So kind of just temporary solution, and it'll look better than a big gaping hole, and it'll get through inspection. So we're going to get this bad unit slapped back on. Installed. All right, guys, so here we go. First fire up of the 300C all-wheel drive Hemi. Motor, we already drove this thing, so the motor's good. Wayne's up there, and he's going to use the little fancy dipstick to see if we got enough tranny fluid in, because he just put a tranny and T-case in it. Did you put fluid in the T-case?
That's a good question.
It's not a good, it's a yes or no question.
Does it come with?
No, it doesn't come with fluid in it.
All right, then we got to do that.
All right, well, it won't matter for this. All right, guys, so Wayne got the 3 Honey back together. The tranny seems good. It is an 09. Did I go over that? It's an 09 tranny going into an older vehicle, which isn't supposed to work according to Chrysler and everyone I talked to. But, bam! So we're going to give her a road test next time you see her. She's got to get cleaned up. She's got bird duty. She's got dings and stuff. So it's going to go to the detailer, get all that taken care of. We need to get inspection, as you can see, so that's what we're working on right now. But I got HIDs, which I didn't know, but duh, it's 300C. So, oh, look at that. And we got foaming out the smoke out the headlights, baby. Look at that. Bet you your whip don't do that. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You will see this a bunch, I promise you. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.